So far, our web page looks like this. How about adding a heading to this content? So let us go back to HTML file and see how we can add a heading to our page. I would like to have Batman as heading to my content. In order to add heading, I could simply add a new line at the top containing heading text. But doing so would mean that browser will treat my heading just like any other text. HTML allows you to use heading tags that treats heading text differently from normal text. You can do so by using heading tags. Heading tags helps browser recognize that the text within heading tag is being used as heading and assigns it different importance. There are 6 different heading tags that you can use from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important heading tag while H6 being the least important. This is how text would look when you use it within these heading tags. Let us now use heading for our superhero document. Let me add my desired heading in the H1 container. Let us see how our document will appear with the heading tag now. You can see the special importance given to heading text. As discussed earlier, H1 tag is the most important heading tag. As we will add more content to our document, we will use few other heading tags as well. For now, let us learn few other tags that we can use for text formatting. Remember we used B tag for a word to appear bold in previous lesson? All of us have used bold and italic text in the Word documents that we may have created in the past. Similar to the way we used B tag to make text appear bold, we can use I tag to make text appear italic. The text that you would like to have such styling should be enclosed in relevant container. This is how your text would look when you apply these tags. There is another tag, strong tag, which makes text appear exactly similar to the way it would appear if you were to use B tag, and EM tag, which makes text appear exactly similar to what you would achieve if you were to use I tag. What's the purpose of having two different tags to make text appear just the same? Well, in the case of strong and EM tags, text appears bold and italic. Also, it is a way of instructing browser that there is a special importance to this text and it's not just styling. This kind of use of tags helps speaking programs that are meant to read text in the browsers. Also, web crawlers assign greater importance to the text enclosed within EM and strong tags, which helps in SEO purpose. To summarize, B and I tag helps in styling the text bold and italic, whereas EM and strong is used to assign importance and meaning to the text enclosed within these tags.